Hello, today I will show you how to create motion graphics to create promoted video. So open your design and go to selector page and make background and go to elements. Look for example, a pizza. Put it in the right side and go to text. Change the font for pizza word. I will choose zone font. Change the color to white. Put it there. Duplicate the page. Move the word like this. And the pizza also. And change the transparency for pizza to 0. Move this page to be the first page. And duplicate the page again. Change text size. The pizza also. And duplicate pizza text. And decrease the size. And move it to the left side like this. And go to elements and look for tacos. I will choose this one. Put the tacos photo in the right side and decrease the transparency to 0. Now duplicate this page. Change the color. Now move the pizza like this and change transparency to 0. And the pizza text to the top and increase transparency and the text also. And duplicate the page. And resize the tacos and the text also. Resize it. Duplicate the text and resize it. Move the text to the left and select the correct photo and remove background and move it to the right as you've seen and duplicate the page again. Now move the tacos to the bottom and change transparency to 0 and remove this text. We made the same techniques for all pages. Now go to duration, process this and this, and go to transition, select merge and move, and increase duration to 1.5 seconds and duplicate for all pages. So we can make less. Now our promoted video is ready. Just download the video. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe in my channel.